guys and girls, how are you? Good morning. I hope you stay safe and healthy by the grace of God. As you know, speaking is a fun. Today our topic of spoken English is what's this? Dear viewers and listeners, what's this is used to ask questions and queries in spoken English language. Let us make a practice with it as such. You can see on this whiteboard, first question is, what's this? What's this? What's this? ये क्या है? And possible answer is, this is a rock. This is a rock. This is a rock. ये एक चट्टान है. And next you can see, what's this? What's this? You should pronounce it properly. What's this? What's this? This is a lake. This is a lake. This is a lake. This is a lake. ये एक झील है. Next one is, what's this? What's this? What's this? ये क्या है? This is a fountain. This is a fountain. This is a fountain. This is a fountain. ये एक फुवारा है. ये एक फुवारा है. And next you can see here, what's this? What's this? What's this? ये क्या है? This is a cage. This is a cage. This is a cage. ये एक पिंजरा है. And you can see next one. What's this? What's this? ये क्या है? This is a palace. This is a palace. This is a palace. This is a palace. ये एक महल है. And next query is, what's this? What's this? ये क्या है? This is a whale. This is a whale. This is a whale. This is a whale. ये एक whale मछली है. And last query is, what's this? What's this? This is a mice. This is a mice. This is a mice. ये एक चूहिया है. This is a mice. ये एक चूहिया है. Now, guys and girls, let's speak together. Follow me and look here. First query is, what's this? What's this? What's this? This is a rock. Next one is, what's this? What's this? This is a fountain. Next is, what's this? What's this? This is a palace. This is a palace. And next is, what's this? What's this? This is a whale. This is a whale. And up here, what's this? What's this? This is a lake. This is a lake. ये एक झील है. Next is, what's this? What's this? This is a cage. This is a cage. This is a cage. This is a cage. ये एक पिंजरा है. What's this? What's this? This is a mice. This is a mice. ये एक चूहिया है. Right, guys and girls, you can make a lot of practice and you must pronounce these queries and questions properly. I hope doing this practice you will be able to speak a very good English. Thank you. See you again. Goodbye.